Hi, Revti. So, a good composition here. It is little complicated for the first assignment, um, but still, I'm glad that you tried it. Uh, the drawing is fine, no issue with the drawing. A little more attention on blending and adding more values is to be given. For example, here the box, if you see, this is the form shadow here. This is the cast shadow, and then there is a transition here. See, you can see how light it is and how dark it is, how light it is and how it is traveling towards the dark value. So that you need to show. This is like really bright, and here we have very strong form shadow, and there is a transition being created between both. The lipstick and the case, they are looking fine. The values are okay. For the pearl string, try avoiding doing outlines. Uh, Outlines means this object is ending, that's the end line, right? Now here on a 2D surface, when we are trying to show object in a 3D manner, that means we are usually trying to create an illusion that to the viewer the front side of the pearl is visible, the pearl string, the back side of the pearl. So the pearl is pure in nature, so the front side is visible, but it is continuing in the back also. So if we draw lines, it will not give that effect. Also, individually, like the way we did the big spear in the tutorial, you need to individually do these pearl springs. Also keep in mind the color of the shadow. So here the surface is white, that's why the shadow is gray. But here, because the surface is dark and the blue drapery is even darker, so here you can see it is very dark, little less dark here, and very light shadow around this area. So inside it is dark. So these are small things that you need to keep in mind. Try to see the value. We don't have any color here, but we have values. That means where it is light, where it is middle, where it is dark. You need to be able to see that. For the first assignment, you did pretty good. All the best.